Right now, there are thousands of homeowners who are desperately searching for ways to cool down their 150-degree attics. And if you look online, you'll see people telling you to buy expensive electric attic fans, paint your roof, or staple foil to your rafters. But I'm going to tell you the BS-free truth. If you have standard asphalt shingles on your house, you are fighting a losing battle. Because the problem isn't just your airflow, the problem is that your roof is acting like a giant thermal radiator cooking your home from the top down. Hey, I'm Max here with the Roof Lab, powered by Van Martin Roofing. Today we're exposing the 150-degree attic trap, and I'm going to show you why stone-coated metal shingles are the ultimate secret to permanently keeping your attic cool. So let's start with the root cause. Asphalt shingles are essentially giant sponges for solar radiation. When the blazing summer sun hits a standard dark shingle, it absorbs that heat. That heat then transfers directly through the asphalt right to your wood decking, and then radiates straight into your attic space. Then it turns your attic into an oven. And what do most people do? They try to out-ventilate it. They install electric power fans on their roof, but here's the physics problem. You cannot out-ventilate a giant active radiator. In fact, adding those extra attic fans will often make the problem worse. If you haven't seen our recent video linked above in the cards, I highly recommend going and watching that right after this video. In that video, we break down exactly how electric attic fans often just create a vacuum, sucking the expensive air-conditioned air right out of your living room and blowing it outside. You are literally paying to cool the neighborhood. So if you can't just blow the heat away, how do you stop it? You have to stop the heat from touching your wood decking in the first place. And that is where stone-coated metal shingles come in. Now, when I say metal roof, I'm not talking about that shiny, ribbed barn roof. I'm talking about stone-coated metal shingles. Like this. These stone-coated metal shingles are stamped. They're steel coated in these stone granules. They look exactly like a premium architectural shingle, wood shake, or clay tile, but they act like a high-tech thermal shield for your house. The secret to keeping your attic cool isn't just the metal itself. It's on how it's installed. Stone-coated metal shingles are often installed on a batten system. This creates a highly engineered, continuous air gap between the metal panels in your wood roof deck. In the roofing world, we call this Above Sheathing Ventilation, or ASV. And if you look here, this metal shingle is stepped. That leaves an air gap underneath of here. That air gap acts as an insulator between the metal shingle itself and the decking underneath. Here is the fluid dynamics of how that works. The sun hits the metal gets hot. But because there's a gap of air underneath of it, the heat warms the air in that gap, and that hot air naturally rises and vents out of the top of the roof before it ever touches your roof decking. You're creating a physical thermal break. It's like putting a sunshade over your entire house. Studies have shown that this above sheathing ventilation can drop the heat entering your attic by 30 to 45%, practically plunging your attic temperatures and taking a massive load off your HVAC system. So you don't need a gimmick. You don't need a noisy electric fan that's going to burn out in 3 years. You need a roofing system that actually respects the laws of physics. And if you are tired of your upstairs feeling like a sauna, and you want a permanent solution that will outlast you and lower your energy bills, these stone-coated shingles are the answer. Here at the Roof Lab, our goal is to give you the real math and science behind your exterior with zero sales pressure. And if you live in Ohio and want to see what a stone-coated metal roof looks like for your home, just reach out to us. And make sure you go and check out our other video on the attic ventilation trap. Hit like, subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week, so stay tuned.